Asian cultures. This week, the progress that we made focusing on 2 points. The first one is trying to do some user testing, and the purpose of that is to find a rough range of target users and get feedbacks of the improvements. And after that, we try to realize some of the possible optimization in the design, including add more contents, objects, and improve the visual cues for the users to manipulate and try to travel around different countries.
And these are a few screenshots of the user testing, which we did in a multiplayer mode. And although there were a few posters like they liked the feeling of bringing the flower vase to their homes, and this gave to them a sense of trading, and that they liked the visual language of it. They also pointed to us a few critical points. The main ones being that introduction to objects was not provided, or the links were too small to navigate between the countries, and the size of the text of the instructions and objects were also small. So these were a few points that we took care of, and you can go to the next slide.
Okay, so according to the critical points that mentioned from the users, we kind of like draw out some points that we can make an improvement. So we decided to create more elements like instruction and also like floor plans and maps, and then make them into the scenes, and then to add more contents to the scene and add some interactions for the next step. So this week we kind of like add more visual instruction and make the visual better than last week, than last week, and then for the content parts we add more contents and objects in the scenes. So now Sylvester and Svaney will lead us to the voyage.
We also have the instructions on the brown area, so that will introduce users what this game is about or what this experience is about, which is to find objects in one of the specific building called Jubao Hall. And now the next part is to go to the building. And inside of the building, we put several 3D models of the objects there, and also we've improved the description, so hopefully it is more concise with the text, and if the user wants to explore what the object is about, they can also open the link and go to the VNA website to visit what exactly the object is and the history and story behind it. And after that, going to the dock, and we have a very huge map of the Silk Road here. So here the players can click on the next country, which is India, and go to that place. And here in the temple, we changed the layout a bit and put related objects from India as well. So right now we have the drum, the model of the drum, and also we can click on the link and do the embodied interaction with the drum, just that we shown last week. And we also have other objects, but the description, we're still working on that.